All right now. Welcome back. Welcome back. This is the DMV Weave Doctor located in Bowie, Maryland, y'all. Now, I had a very long day. I think my wig is cocked to the side. Yes, yes. So y'all won't be able to probably see a full, complete picture of me because the Weave Doctor is looking a hot mess right now. This is what happens when this is a very arduous job. Requires a lot of work. So before, we're styling a unit for a client. For some clients, that are at high risk, they still do not feel comfortable coming to the salon, and that's fine. We got you covered, honey, at Main Attractions, okay? So right now, all we're doing is just styling her hair. And when she puts this unit on, ooh, I know we better plug up our materials or we're gonna be in real big trouble. Okay, there we go. So all she has to do, so pretty much we pre-styling this unit. This unit has been shampooed. It has been, we molded it, wrapped it. And now we're just styling her. And we also, did some little touches. We actually thinned it out because sometimes with units, they can be too thick for certain individuals. And this is with our Brazilian hair. A lot of people like this hair because it's very affordable. And overall, we don't have many complaints about this hair. However, if you are looking to do a lot more coloring and dyeing, some people it might be best to upgrade in a different curl pattern, or in a different higher quality, so that you can get the same type of luster and silkiness that you would with our Brazilian texture in this non-processed state. So as you see, we're styling our client's unit. This is for our golden and yet beautiful ladies. I used to call them the golden girl transformations. Because many of our clients, that suffer from hair loss, they are, I guess, baby boomers and above, so they pretty much 50 and up. But we do styles for all generations. And we're just showing you how, those who do not want to style their hair or don't want to come to the salon, you can look cute, baby, from the comfort of your home. Because just because Corona is here, you don't want to be walking around looking a mess, girl. You don't want to lose your man, honey. We ain't got time for that. Okay. We're just adding some different little pin curls here. But we're just showing you, it's almost like a girl. It's almost like a real person here. Girl, how you doing? Uh-huh. You want your hairstyle like that? Okay. I'm so silly. But I'm just letting you know. It's like we can style it to whatever preference that you want. And so pretty much it's like you got a virtual hair appointment. Okay. And you can book at https colon / at main attractions with a z.as.me, and it's on our Facebook. And also we have a new thing with the text. If you text the Weave Doctor 797979 at the DMV Weave at the DMV Doctor, DMV and Doctor, and it's not case sensitive. So 7979 DMV Doctor, and you will be able to receive some of our different specials that we are offering. And see, this is just as easy as 1, 2, 3. And you can drop it off in our mailbox slot or at our P.O. box, and we can gladly give you that information so that we can make your COVID-19 hair experience as healthy as possible, okay? You don't gotta be running around looking scary, girl. You can still be looking cute from the comfort of your own home. Alright? And that's about it. We're just showing you how we're styling this. And we're going to comb it out. But we're probably actually going to let our client comb it out. So we're just showing you that the clients still have curls when they pick up their units, or I guess if we ship it to you. So those are things that our clients will still have. And we do different pin curls, especially like around the front. So we just making sure that our client is going to be looking cute when she walk out, or when she, whenever she decide to put the unit on. We're not sure if she going to put it on when she come here, or if she want us to, we can even, do the, the curbside option as well. If you want us to run out, if you don't even, I got some clients, like they say, I'm not even cutting this side. Now, I don't know why, because to be honest, I believe that a lot of these hair salons and some of these service industries, they have to be extremely cleanly during a time like this and using a lot of different hospital grade disinfectants. So I would say that most of your average places like that are actually more, I think, more clean than a lot of the different regular facilities that you may encounter, like restaurants and bars. I don't know what else. Yeah, and definitely the the grocery store, girl. Now, I would give it to moms. I love Moms Organic Market, and most people that know me and follow me know that I'm all about eating healthy, okay? And so at Moms Organic Market, I love them and their enthusiasm towards keeping people safe during the coronavirus. Honey, they write down each and every they write down each and every basket at the Moms Organic Market located in Bowie. And they are just outstanding. I love them. And nope, they did not pay me to say that. That's just how much that I mess with moms and that I appreciate their outstanding customer service. Keeping me safe day by day from Corona. Okay? And we're just showing you, what it's like to get a virtual wig service, which some of our clients actually have been getting, even though many of our clients come inside and just get service regularly. We do have different areas that are closed off. So pretty much it's like you have your own little mini, like your own little mini station salon area. So you don't have nobody, you have pretty much no contamination or no type of possibility for contamination, or at least the minimal amount. I may get like the Chinese nail salon. I went up there, I took my mother to get her nails on the other day, and they had a waiver up in there. We will not be responsible if you get COVID-19 up in here. Now, I don't know if I'm going to do all of that, but they had it right at the beginning of the door, smack at the door. And also, this unit there, while I'm talking trash. So, yeah, I don't know if I'm going to do that, but I guess it's good if I don't know, I hope nobody is petty enough to try to sue somebody during the coronavirus. You may mess around, you being that petty at a time like this, you may mess around and catch the corona just because you being nasty. I believe in that old saying, God don't like ugly. But anyways, this particular unit, I think it's been like 3 months. I forgot when all this corona stuff started. Maybe 4 months old. Yeah. Maybe actually 4 months old. And so this unit is about 4 months old, and she's been loving it. She used to come maybe like once a month, but now it's not as often. But she's been such a great client. We even, miss her and just grateful to have her as a client, even in her absence, as we're not seeing her as often. Yep, so that's about it for today. We just want to show you how, you can still style your hair. And I don't know, I guess maybe some of you may already have your own hairstyles. I be seeing people, they be tagging their hairstylists on my page. I'm like, okay, free promotion. Your comment will be getting deleted, okay? And for everybody on my page, I get a lot of people looking at my comment section, want to wonder if the weave doctor is lying. Girl, I ain't got time for that. Okay. I have a client. Now she is already fair skinned, but I have 2 different rooms that I service my clients in. And on certain parts of in one room the lighting is not good at all. Actually, I was like, during this whole coronavirus thing, I actually was pretty sad because that area is just not very well lit. And so it does make my clients, it makes my, like even in that room, I don't generally take a lot of pictures. I do my, what is it? When I go live, I do go live in that room. However, I do have a nice bright light and I'm under a certain light because that room makes you look darker. And then this other room out here, I didn't even put on my bling light out here because this room lighting is just very good. We don't have to do all of that. But yeah, anyways, I keep hearing y'all in these comments section, y'all, big neck bammers. I remember there was a guy on, was it 95.5, he called them big neck bammers. Trying to lie on the weave doctor, saying that we're not using the same photos. I just want to let all y'all know that I am not new to this. I am true to this. We ain't got time for the lies, baby. I've been doing hair since I was 13 and a half or 14 years old in my neighborhood doing cornrows. I've had clients since that age. So whatever I do, I try to keep it 100. Matter of fact, I keep it 200. Some people say I keep it, I generally just try to be as transparent as possible. And that's why a lot of my clients like me. Now, sometimes you might miss a detail here and there, but it was definitely not because I was trying to probably be sneaky. But yeah, all the pictures that we have on this page, they are created and done by me. That's how much I pride myself in my work. That's why I take pictures of everything. Even on my website, I know a lot of stylists, and it probably, because some of y'all got me messed up with y'all bootleg stylists. And I'm finding out a lot of these haters in these comments are hairstylists. Y'all need to sit down and get y'all some more education before y'all come for the weed doctor. Anyways, I'm not like some of y'all hairstylists that stole some pictures on their website. Every picture on my website that is of my hair styling is something that I created. And if it's something that I did not, maybe might have had like a little fake flower or something like that. But everything that I do, girl, I just, I believe, I'm just checking to see how more minutes I got. I believe that God made me special. I pride myself in my individuality. I ain't got time to be stealing. This is an art to me. So whatever we do it naturally. What's that song? I do it naturally. I can't even think of that one. I can't even think of that song. Pretty much. Oh, that's the saying. I'm every woman. It's all in me. Everything you want done, baby. I do it naturally. Dun-dun-dun, 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 dun-dun-dun. Child, I'm like Whitney Houston, honey. I ain't got time to be I don't got time for the play. So yeah, if I see y'all in the comments, Y'all better watch out. Because I'm not your average. I will block and delete you. What they say now, no cap. Only peaceful, happy vibes on this page. We ain't got time for haters. And those are falsely accusing the weak doctor. Okay? So we just letting you see, and it's coming together nicely. We actually almost done. We just want to let you see how you can get your hair styled without even coming to the salon. Okay? Yes, honey. Because my birthday is coming up, and I'm a little nervous about going outside. I wish they had. I hope these restaurants, they just start doing more converting, because I am nervous. I am not trying to get the corona, because I've already seen y'all in these restaurants. Y'all not putting their mask on. I went in there the other day. I'm not gonna say what restaurant it is, but they was cracked up, had their legs spread. These grown men had their legs gapped all open like they had a cookout, cackling like a hyena with their head tilted back with no mask on. I'm like, okay, I don't think I'm ready right now. But I'll let you guys know. But anyways, this recording is about to go off. And please feel free to book us at mainattractionshair.com, NANE, attractions with an S, hair.com. Thank you so much for your time. And have a wonderful, blessed evening. And keep that mask on, honey. All right now. Bye.